Hey there, travel lovers.
Welcome back to the channel.
Today, we're diving into one of Portugal's most charming coastal gems, Cascais.
From stunning beaches to rich history, this town has it all. So, buckle up as we explore the 12 best things to do in Cascais.
Let's get started. Number 1.
Explore the Cascais Marina. The Cascais Marina is a bustling hub where the sea meets the town's vibrant social scene. Here, you can admire luxurious yachts and sailboats docked alongside charming cafes and boutique shops.
A walk along the boardwalk offers a scenic view of the ocean and the chance to people watch.
Whether you're grabbing a coffee, enjoying fresh seafood, or simply taking in the nautical atmosphere, the marina provides a lively backdrop for a relaxing day.
It's also a great starting point for exploring other attractions in Cascais. Number 2. Visit Boca do Inferno. Boca do Inferno, or Mouth of Hell, is a dramatic coastal feature where the force of the Atlantic Ocean has carved out a large cavern in the cliffs.
The sound of crashing waves and the sight of the churning sea create a powerful and awe-inspiring experience. This natural wonder is particularly impressive during stormy weather when the waves roar and crash through the cavern, creating a dramatic spectacle. It's a fantastic spot for photography and to appreciate the raw power of nature against a picturesque backdrop.
Number 3. Relax at Praia da Reina. Praia da Reina is a small, enchanting beach nestled within the town of Cascais.
Its sheltered location and clear, calm waters make it an ideal spot for a relaxing day by the sea. The beach's compact size adds to its charm, providing a more intimate and peaceful environment compared to larger beaches.
You can lounge on the golden sand, swim in the clear waters, or simply enjoy the sun.
The surrounding area has charming cafes and restaurants where you can grab a bite while enjoying the coastal views.
Number 4. Discover Cascais Historic Center. The Historic Center of Cascais is a maze of cobblestone streets lined with charming houses, quaint shops, and lively cafes.
Wandering through this area feels like stepping back in time, with traditional Portuguese architecture and vibrant street art adding to the ambience. As you explore, you'll find local shops selling crafts and souvenirs, and numerous spots to enjoy a traditional Portuguese pastry or coffee. The historic center is also home to several cultural landmarks, making it a great place to soak up the local history and culture.
Number 5. Tour the Museu Condes de Castro Guimarães. The Museu Condes de Castro Guimarães is housed in a magnificent mansion that combines historical grandeur with a rich collection of art and antiques. The museum's exhibits include everything from ancient artifacts to period furniture, providing a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the Portuguese elite. The building itself, with its ornate architecture and lush gardens, is worth a visit. Inside, you'll find a variety of artifacts that showcase the region's cultural and historical heritage, offering a well-rounded perspective on Cascais' past. Number 6. Stroll through Parque Marechal Carmona. Parque Marechal Carmona is a lush, tranquil park that offers a peaceful retreat from the bustle of the town. With its well-maintained gardens, serene ponds, and shaded paths, it's a perfect spot for a leisurely walk or a relaxing picnic. Families with children will appreciate the park's playground, while those seeking a quiet place to unwind will enjoy the park's calm atmosphere. The park is also home to a small pond with ducks and geese, adding to the park's charm and appeal as a nature escape. Number 7. Explore the Casa das Histórias Paulo Rego. Casa das Histórias Paulo Rego is a contemporary museum dedicated to the works of the renowned Portuguese artist Paulo Rego. The building itself is an architectural marvel, designed by Eduardo Souto de Moura, and contrasts beautifully with the surrounding landscape. Inside, you'll find a rich collection of Rego's paintings and illustrations, showcasing her unique style and storytelling prowess. The museum not only highlights Rego's work but also offers insights into her creative process and the themes that have inspired her throughout her career. Number 8. Visit the Farol de Santa Marta. The Farol de Santa Marta is a striking lighthouse with its distinctive green and white stripes, perched on the edge of Cascais. The lighthouse offers spectacular panoramic views of the surrounding coastline and the Atlantic Ocean. Adjacent to the lighthouse is a small museum that delves into the history of maritime navigation and the role of lighthouses in ensuring safe passage for ships. The lighthouse area is a peaceful spot to enjoy the sea breeze and capture stunning photographs of the rugged coastline. Number 9. Enjoy the gastronomy. Cascais boasts a vibrant food scene, with an emphasis on fresh seafood and traditional Portuguese cuisine. From beachside cafes to upscale restaurants, you'll find an array of dining options that showcase the region's culinary delights. Savor grilled sardines, a local favorite, or indulge in calamari and other seafood specialties. Don't miss the chance to try pastéis de nata, the famous Portuguese custard tarts. Many eateries offer outdoor seating with views of the ocean, enhancing your dining experience with a beautiful seaside backdrop. Number 10. Walk or bike the ciclovia. The ciclovia is a scenic bike path that runs along the coast from Cascais to Lisbon, providing stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean and the rugged coastline. It's a popular route for both cyclists and walkers, offering a leisurely way to enjoy the area's natural beauty. Along the path, you'll pass through picturesque landscapes, charming seaside towns, and scenic viewpoints. Whether you're an avid cyclist or just looking for a pleasant stroll, the ciclovia is a fantastic way to experience the region's outdoor splendor. Number 11. Visit the Santa Marta Lighthouse Museum located near Praia de Santa Marta. The Santa Marta Lighthouse Museum is a fascinating spot to learn about history of lighthouses and maritime navigation. The museum, housed in a beautifully restored lighthouse, provides interactive exhibits and displays about the role of lighthouses in guiding ships safely to shore. Climb to the top of the lighthouse for panoramic views of the coastline and the ocean. The combination of historical insight and stunning vistas makes this a worthwhile visit for history buffs and nature lovers alike. Number 12. Explore the Guincho Beach. Guincho Beach is renowned for its powerful waves and strong winds, making it a favorite destination for surfers and windsurfers. The beach's dramatic natural beauty is enhanced by its rugged surroundings and expansive sandy stretches. Even if you're not into water sports, Guincho Beach is worth a visit for its stunning coastal scenery and the opportunity to enjoy a walk along its shores. The beach is also surrounded by natural parkland, adding to its appeal as a destination for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. And there you have it, 12 incredible things to do in Cascais. Whether you're into history, nature, or just relaxing by the sea, Cascais has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and destination guides. See you in the next video.